triangles. In this video, we are going to study about the introduction of the chapter. So start. First one is the triangle is the closed shape with three sides. Now we are talking about the triangle. So this one is the triangle. This one is having three sides. Now comes to the next one. Triangle can be classified into two ways. Now the angles are classified in the two ways. First one by the side and the second one by the angles. Now comes to the first we are going to study by side. So in this one the first type is the equilateral triangle. Now in the equilateral triangle all sides of triangles are equal. So this one is the equilateral. Now comes to the isosceles triangle. In this one two sides are equal. Now in the equilateral three sides are equal. In the isosceles two sides are equal with each other. Now comes to the third one, scalene triangle. In this one, no side is equal to the other one. So this one is the equilateral triangle, 2 and 2 centimeter. Now this one is the isosceles. This one is the 5. This one is the 5 and this one is the 4. Now this one is the scalene. This one is the 4. This one is the 3 and this one is the 5 centimeter. So these are by sides. Now come to the by angles. Now by the angle the first type is the acute angle triangle. In this one all the angles are less than 90 degree. Less than 90 that means acute angle. Now comes to the right angle triangle. In this one angle is equal to 90 degree or the right angle. The third one is the obtuse angle triangle. In this one angle is more than 90 degree. So these are the classification of triangles by angles and this one is the by side. Now we are going to study about the congruence of the triangle. Now the definition of the congruence is it means equal figure whose shapes and size are both same. They look like xerox of each other. So this one is the congruence of triangles. Now we have some criteria of the congruence. The first one is the SAS, side angle side. In this one two sides are equal and the one angle is equal with each other. The second one is the ASA, angle side angle. Two angles and one side is equal. The third one is the SSS, side. In this one three sides are equal with the three sides. The next one is the AAS, angle side. In this one two angles and one side is equal to the each other. Now comes to the RHS. This one is the right angle hypotenuse side. So these are the criteria of the congruence of triangle. Now comes to the next topic, CPCT, that is the corresponding part of congruent triangles. Now in the CPCT, first we have to prove that the two triangles are congruent to each other, then we can apply CPCT. In CPCT, corresponding parts of the congruent triangle, we have to prove that the corresponding parts are equal with each other. Now comes to the next topic, this one is the property of triangles. Now first we will talk about the isosceles triangle. In the isosceles triangle, two sides are equal with each other. For example, this one is the 6 centimeter, this one is the 6 and this one is the 5. So two sides with this one is 6 centimeter. And this one angle opposite to the equal sides. Now this one is the equal sides. Angle opposite to this one is this and angle opposite to this one is this. Angle opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. So these two triangles will be equal with each other. Now comes to the next one. Side opposite to the equal angles. This one is the opposite of this one. Sides opposite to equal angles. Now these two angles are equal, then sides opposite to this one will also be the equal one. Now comes to the inequality in the triangle. In this one we will talk about the inequalities of the triangle. For example, this one is a triangle. Now in this one angles opposite to the longer side is larger. Now this one is the angle opposite to the longer side. Now this one is the longer side. Now opposite to this one is the angle this one. This one will be the larger angle. And this one is the opposite of this one. Sides opposite to the larger angle. Now this one is the larger angle. Side opposite to this one is this one. This one will be the longest side. So this is the introduction of the chapter number 7, triangles. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 7.1.